Connor learned how to ride his bike. Wow, Connor, can you steer and everything? Show me. There he goes. Good job, buddy. Oh my gosh, you're a big boy. Oh, you're stuck. You did it! Oh, that's rough, huh? Now he's going backwards too. What a stud.
Do it again.
Okay, do it again. Oh, we still need some work, huh? But you got it. You can do it. Push. Push hard. Ready? Now do it. Whoa. See, you got it all by yourself. Good job, Connor. Okay, go backwards.
Don't fall.
Don't fall. You are a stud.
Go this way.
Okay, go that way. You're doing awesome. Okay, love you.
Go back, Mommy's seat.
Okay.